Now I'd like to show you how to access and complete your assignments. So you can find your assignments in the posts. Occasionally they will populate here, but the best and easiest way is to go to the Assignments tab. So when you click on the Assignments tab, your assignments will be listed. Again, this is my Alter account, so I wanted to show you how to access, say, your syllabus sheet. So I'm going to click on the syllabus sheet, and you can see here a couple of very important things. First, your instructions. Then you have the reference material. This is the page that you need to complete. You'll notice down here it has a place for adding your work, and then, of course, the turn in button. So let's take a look at this. The first thing you want to do is you want to open this sheet, and you can do a couple of things. One, you can download. So you would click on download. Okay, and I've got it here for my download example, so I'm going to save it here. And you can see it's downloading. It gives you a little message box at the bottom here that it is, in fact, downloading. Once you take a look at it, hopefully it will, it's being kind of slow. All right, once it has finished downloading, it will show you that your download is complete, and you can show that in the folder if you'd like to do that. All right, so now you're going to go back. You're going to go to your class notebook. This is just one of the ways that you can do this. Of course, you can go to your downloads folder. You can open it up and set it up to print, which I don't have the capability on here, so I'm not going to go through that. But hopefully you know how to print it out. And once you print it out, you can then fill it in, take a picture, and you can upload it that way. Which I'll go through the steps in just a second, but what I wanted to show you was how this works. All right, you're going to open up your notebook. You're going to come to your notebook. You're going to, I'm going to go ahead and click on My Homework. I'm going to create a new page. There we go. And I'm going to call this Syllabus Signature Page. I'm going to come here and click. Once I have clicked on the page, I can then come to Insert. So there's this little menu here. I'm going to click on Insert, and I'm going to tell it to insert a file. And I'm going to do it as a printout. So I'm going to choose the file, go to Downloads, okay, and here I'm choosing the file that I want to put into the page. And so what it's going to do is insert it into the page for you. All right, once it's into the page, there are several things you can do. You'll notice if you click on it, this is the image of the file that we just input. And outside of this image, so in the marginal area here, if you click, it will create a text box. And you can put the text box and type in, let's just say that that's your name. And then I'm going to create another text box just by clicking outside. And I'm going to type first period. There we go. And you can just create your text boxes. You can move them around just like such. And that will input the information into your page. But what if you don't want to do text boxes? What if you need a signature? Well, you have a Chromebook on which you can use your finger to write on it. So here, I'm going to go to Draw. I'm going to change it to a pen, and I'm going to change the color just for fun. There we go. And I can come here now and I can use my mouse, I can use my finger, and I can do my signature. Right? So I've signed it, and now I get Mom to sign it. Just carry over your Chromebook, and they can sign it right there. Put today's date is the 24th, right? And input phone numbers. So you can put in a phone number here, 555-624-2424, etc. And once you have done that, Oh, I gotta come back to my selection. Okay, take it off of the pen, otherwise you'll just keep marking all over it. All right, and now you want to make sure it gets turned in. So here we go. You're going to click on that. You're going to come to your page and you're going to right click on it. You're going to copy link to this page. You're going to come up to your assignments. You're going to click on it. You're going to say you want to turn it in. Oops, look at that. I accidentally forgot to add my link, so I'm going to undo the turn in. Did you know you could do that? All right, and come down here to add the work. So when you click on add work, you can see here you can add a link. So click on link, you can right click and paste. Signature page in notebook. Here we go, and attach. And turn it in. It's that easy.